Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. So today we have a do-it-yourself with Kanisha. Literally, this shelf is all over YouTube. It's all over Instagram. You might even have one in your beauty room. I was gonna buy one, but then I was like, let me try to make one myself. So here we are. Self-service saw.
These two, so your shelves are gonna be this big, this wide out.
Okay. Be careful, but wash your fingers. You about to just do it? Oh my god, I'm scared.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck is that? Ah!
It's only 98 cents and it should do the job. So we shall see. Okay guys, so I'm finally home and I have everything laid out on my floor. And now what I'm going to do is drill it together. I have this drill that I bought in my last video that I showed you guys when I was organizing my office, and I had to drill in those knobs, those pink knobs right there. These are the screws I got. I got them from Menards, and by the way, if I haven't mentioned yet, I got all of this from Menards, and I got this from Walmart. Yeah, and y'all seen that I got this from Walmart as well for 98 cents. And I have to hurry up because it's like 7 o'clock and it's gonna get dark, and I have to take everything outside to spray paint it. So I know I want one right here. I'm just eyeing it right now to see where exactly I want the shelves at. Okay, so your measurements don't have to be exactly how mine are going to be. It just depends on the space that you're working with, the wall, what size you purchase, and all of that. So just keep that in mind, and you can use whatever measurements you want, but I will have mine linked down below for you guys to follow. Okay, so for mine, I came up with the measurements about 14.5 inches apart. So I lined it up, as you can see.
That's smiling. Be a little smile, baby.
Okay, so what we've been doing is just lining this up, and then Desmond has just been screwing it in. So as you guys can see, the 2 screws, another one right there.
You got push.
Okay guys, so we are about to start. I got my little ratchet set up, and then here is the spray paint again, and yeah. Shelf. I hung it up with command strips. Desmond helped me put it up. But yeah, the only thing that I would say is I wish I would have sanded it down, because we ran out of sandpaper. Okay guys, it did take a little while, so if you're not a handy person or if you don't have someone to help you, I would suggest just buying the real thing. You're literally at home doing nothing, so it was worth it. I am a handy person, so I didn't mind that at all. But yeah. open up some packages that I purchased from some of my boss friends, aka y'all. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely follow me because I do a lot of shopping from my boss friends over there, and I usually go through my YouTube comments. That's why I always tell you guys to make sure you guys comment your website. So if you guys want to make sure that I purchase from you and give you guys free shout outs, I also do free shout outs all the time on my Instagram. I do shout out for shout outs. So make sure you guys are following me and watching my stories, and just turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post a picture or a story, because you never know. So, and I love doing that for you guys. But this is from my girl, Gleam Dream Collection. I purchased from her before, and she has been a long time supporter, and I appreciate her a lot. So I forgot what I got with all of this stuff because I don't even know. But let's see what I got. I've really been into bracelets. As you guys know from my previous videos, I've been showing y'all hella bracelets. Let me show you guys her little postcard, and it's so cute. It looks so cute and professional. I love it, girl. 10% off. If you guys want to shop with her, use the code BEAUTY at checkout for 10% off. And make sure you guys write notes, fellow boss friend. If you're a real one, write that. But these bags are so cute. First off, this bag is so cute. So, ooh, okay, I do remember. Ooh, I'm wearing this tomorrow. So this is a bangle, and it has butterflies on it. Do not mind my nails, y'all. Butterfly charms, and it also has a heart, and I love butterflies. I'm obsessed with butterflies right now. Give me a little cute sucker. Definitely eating this tonight. Thanks, girl. Definitely eating that. So make sure you guys go shop with her. I'll have all of these websites linked down below. Here's her business card as well, close up of it. Her name is Toya. Hey Toya, if you're watching. But sorry, I'm not showing my face. I look at how that's messed. Another package from Lash by Kia. So I purchased from Kia before as well, and she is a longtime supporter. Well, I know she's been supporting me since like the end of last year. So I love her brand. I think we did a giveaway together, or that's how we found each other or something. So she sent a little thank you card. I love purchasing from y'all. Like, it's my favorite thing. She said, welcome back, Kia Cutie. Hope you love our peppermint rose essential oil made with sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and apricot. Bro, apricot. Y'all, give me a free gift, so let's check that out. Okay, so let's first look at her business cards. Super cute. Y'all stuff is cute. Dripping. I love. Okay, so there's that. And let's put it right here. And then she also, I've been wanting to buy this oil from y'all, and I was just like, let me go ahead and buy it. So I will be using this, like literally tomorrow. I will be using this as soon as I get out the shower. And it's so cute. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna sit it at on my vanity, because it just looks so cute. Oh yeah. Ooh, it smells good. Reminds me of some lotion that I used to use, like cocoa butter lotion. I don't know the brand though, but it reminds me of that. So make sure you guys go check them out. Okay, let's move on to, who is this from? I Am Jazz Lashes, and she's one of my favorite. I always see her in my comments and stuff. So you know I had to support my girl. Okay, so I bought some bracelets from her. I remember she posted in my Facebook group how she made these, and she did so good. So she watched one of my videos where I told you guys how to make these, and she made a postcard for her business. Use the code JASZ to save 20%. And yeah, if you guys want that video, I have a link down below for you guys to check out. It looks really good. Hers come in these little cute yellow pouches, and I've never seen these before, so I really like this yellow. And I bought I told y'all I'm obsessed with bracelets lately. Well, they are ankle bracelets, so I'm going to be rocking these. I just got some new shoes, and it has gold in it, so this ankle bracelet is going to go super cute with it. But yeah, so here they are. So cute. I'm going to put that right here. And then we have a package from Crowned by Mani or Crowned by Manny. I don't want to say the name wrong. Love the colors. And then, ooh, okay. Packaging A1. I love y'all packaging. I bought lip scrub from her. This is how it looks, but look at the branding on it, y'all. It looks so cute. Look at that. So cute. I love the pink and the blue together. That is just too cute. So, yeah, so cute. Can't wait to try that. I think 1 or 2 of these things are free. So if they are, thank you so much, girl. I appreciate when y'all send me like little gifts and stuff. It's so cute. But she sent over this lip gloss, and I'm gonna sit this up on my vanity because it's so cute. And I can just sit it up like that. And here, let me take it out. Ooh, I love this. And then she sent me some clear lip gloss, and it's so cute. I love the packaging on this. And it's just plain clear, and then it has the little strawberries inside of there. That is too cute. Too cute, y'all. So, thank you so much, girl. All of your stuff is cute. And now we have this from Cake and Bake. This is my girl right here, literally. This is my girl. She's actually a brand ambassador for KDK Beauty, and she has her own business, and she literally supports all of my content and stuff on Instagram especially. So shout out to her. She's the bomb. Okay, she said, thank you so much for your purchase. I am very thankful to have an amazing supporter like you. If you would like to be featured on our page, and her name is Katrina. And if you guys want lip gloss from her, you can use the code GLOSS and you'll get 1 gloss for free. So if you buy 1 gloss, you'll get the other for free. Use the code GLOSS at checkout. You have to add 2 glosses to your cart. So here's her packaging and her products. Super cute, girl. Oh my god. Okay, so her little cards are so cute. Look at that. I love it. It's Cake and Bake Cosmetics. I'll have all of their websites linked down below. Really love that business card. And I purchased lip gloss from her. I actually purchased from her back around Black Friday as well, but I didn't get to show you guys because it was a gift for my sisters and I didn't want to open up the package that she sent. But yeah, so I wanted to purchase again and definitely feature her on my channel. Here is her lip gloss. I love these little tubes so much. This is going right up in my vanity as well. I'm going to put some of this on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all, this smells like, it smells like cupcakes. Like I just want to eat it. Send me some little candy. And y'all remember these candies from back in the day. So make sure you guys go shop with my girls or go show love to their Instagram feeds or YouTube channels. Go check them out. I love everything that I received. Everything is so cute and just, I love it. I'm so proud of you guys. So make sure you guys go check them out. I think this is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so freaking much. If you guys have purchased a notebook from me, please be patient. I'm waiting on more supplies to come in. Thank you guys for being so patient and supporting me through all of this, especially. And yeah, you guys are the absolute best. If you guys want to support my brand, make sure you guys go to kdkbeauty.com. I'm in the process of revamping my website, so make sure you guys go check it out and let me know how you guys like it so far. I will have a video up about that soon, so make sure you guys subscribe. And I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting on here, guys. Subscribe and stay active. Please stay active. And yeah, so here's another close-up of all of their things. And I'll have everything linked down below if you guys want to shop with them. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.